Hey guys, it's Rickaquaog and welcome to another video. So today is actually an exciting one. We're going to have a live unboxing and raw first impression video of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Thank you to Samsung Ghana for making this possible. I was surprised when I actually got this in the mail. They sent me this to check out. So we are not actually getting the retail box, but this is the review unit. But they did well and they gave me the case. They gave me the Type-C cable, even a SIM ejector too, and everything I need to check this out. So I want to share the unboxing and first impressions with you. So let's just get into it. I am hyped, so forgive me if I seem to be a little bit shaky. I don't know what we should go for. Should we go for the case first or we should go for the phone itself? I think we should check out the phone. It is, of course, the silicone cover ring case, and this, I don't know. We are going to check it out soon, but I'm so excited. So let's just jump into this and see what comes inside the box. All right, so, all right. Oh, wow. The truth is I never got to test out 1, 2, or 3, and this is the 4. So I'm very, very excited to have this in-house. It seems to come in so many colors, this. And you know, this time around, the bespoke edition, when you get to select your own combination for the outer cover, which is really going to be great. And as you can see, this looks really cool already. And I think we had the Bora purple, black, pink, gold, and the blue. So I think this is the pink gold. It seems to have this peach looking color, but Samsung says it's pink. So we're just going to take it like that. It has this gold looking frame all around it. Why am I even doing this? Let's just take the covering off and just have a closer look at this. Whoa. Oh my God. This looks good. It actually comes with a screen protector already installed, which is supposed to be really cool. It means you don't have to go get a screen protector for this, and it looks really good. Let's get these stickers off. Oh, it's actually light. It feels really light, and I don't want to fold it yet. Let's just take our time and check around what comes on this first before we just fold it. And on the right side, of course, you have the power button and the volume rocker on the top. I don't know how I feel about where the placement of the volume rocker is, but we're going to see how it feels like on a day, using it on a day-to-day. On the bottom, of course, we have the Type-C port, the speaker, which I hope is a dual speaker setup for this. On the side, we have the SIM card ejector tool right here. And I'm just going to fold it for the first time. Just going to close it up for the first time. Let's see how that feels. Whoa, that feels solid. That feels premium. Okay, that feels really premium, guys. Like, chatting, it felt really nice. Wow, I really can't wait to test this out. And at the back, we seem to have two cameras, which should be the wide and the ultra wide. We're definitely going to try it out. And since it's not on, you might not see now, but we have an external display on the outside, which I can't wait to try it out. So we're just going to turn it on and you're going to check out how the screen looks like and everything. I'm really excited about this. Let's see how it goes. So this, of course, is an AMOLED screen. It is a 120 Hz HD plus screen, so I can't wait to check it out. I really can't wait to do this, but I'm going to try and skip through the setup process, so we check that out later. Already, I can sense the haptic feedback from the vibration motors on this. It feels really good. And this seems to be going really fast too. And we're done. Okay, so we're going to have our first impressions right here. This is the screen. It looks good. Okay, the blacks on here feel really black. The colors feel really saturated. Let's see how bright this actually gets. Hope I can get this in camera. This looks really good. You can actually see the crease on here, but so far it doesn't seem like it's going to bother me so much. We're going to see how it feels like on a day-to-day, but so far the screen looks really good. As you can see, it says 120 Hz. This is actually a 120 Hz screen. It feels really good, but you can put it on the standard if you want to save some battery, but I am definitely going to keep it on the 120 because I want to see. But so far so good. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 feels solid. It feels good. I can't wait to test it on a day-to-day. See, let's check out the external display on here. It doesn't seem to be the brightest, but probably because I have all these lights on here, but It seems bigger than the last one that I tried last year. Okay, so one of the things that Samsung did this time around was to reduce the size of the hinge, and this time around it seems slightly small. It's not something that's so significant that you can tell by looking at it, but it does feel slightly small. It feels really tight when opening and closing. It doesn't feel like it's going to break on you, so I'm actually excited about that. So far so good. This feels really nice. Wait, I almost forgot about the case. Let's open the case and see how this fits on this bad boy. Let's just cut this open and open this. Woo! It's also a peach color. I think Samsung has a thing. I think I'm probably going to have a thing for peach because I'm really liking this color. How do we put this on? This obviously for the... Wait, let me wipe this a little bit. Let's just put this on like that. It has fit. Wait, how is this done? I'm confused. It's saying remove something? Alright. Seem to be some sticky parts. I hope I'm doing this right. Okay, so I actually did it. That looks good. That is good. It feels like a female purse, but I guess it's probably going to make it easy to carry this around with that hanging on your hand, with that hanging on your finger. If it looks really good, it fits really nice. How's it going to make opening this? Let's see how I'm going to use it. Probably like this and open it up. Okay, that is cool. Probably like this and open it up. So far so good. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in the house. I can't wait to check this out. It feels really premium. Opening and shutting this feels really good. I'm definitely going to put my SIM card in this and use this extensively and give you my full review in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. The case fits really well. I think people are really going to like this. So far so good. I have to try this extensively and let you guys know what I think about this. Stay tuned for the review when it comes out. You don't want to miss it. Thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace. I'm out.